Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. On the VeChain chart, we're waiting for reliable signals that a low could be in or it's going to be made shortly. We're basically in the support area here. We've hit actually the 50% retracement level now, which is good to see. That is, for me, usually the minimum that I want to see in a wave 2 correction. If it turns around now, it would be perfect. It can go a little lower, but ideally it would turn around somewhere in this region here. And at the latest, it should turn around above 1.51 cent. So the important situation that we've got here on the chart is that it really needs to stay above 1.51 cents or a more bearish scenario has to be preferred. Important is to understand we have a potential leading diagonal in a yellow wave 1 into the July highs and then an ABC structure to the downside. The idea is that we're now in the C wave, and I often bring the 38.2 retracement level on the chart as well, because that's usually the level where an A wave is reacting. Worked, yeah. And now the wave C would then typically come down to the area between the 50% retracement and the 78.6. That's exactly what we see now. It touched the 50% fib level, small reaction, but nothing really reliably bullish in any way that it would already give us a signal that it's turning around. So that's certainly nothing we can confirm at this stage, but we can call out the relevant levels that can be watched if price goes down lower. And that is 1.65 cents and 1.51, or actually 1.649, no, 1.647 and 1.51. And this setup is going to work out for a third wave rally if price can hold the 1.518 cent level. Below that level, we're breaking below the 78.6 fib retracement. Now, this move down looks very corrective. That means multiple interpretations will be possible of the subwave structure, but it's certainly corrective because we have a lot of overlapping price action. And if we add the indicators, you can see that we start to see bullish divergences on the 4-hour chart. Lower lows on the price chart, whereas we see higher lows on the relative strength index. I make that a bit larger. You can actually see that here. A higher low here on the 4-hour RSI, which should not be neglected, and lower lows on the price chart. Doesn't necessarily mean it has to go up now, but it's the first step. It's the first thing we need to see. Until today, we've been waiting for new lows because I wanted to see price get to the 50% fib level, but I have to warn that we haven't got any confirmed low in place, not even a local low. So at this stage, you know, I need a signal. I need some kind of a signal to say that a low has been established. Until I see that signal, I cannot confirm a low, and price might still go lower. Without a 5-wave move to the upside, there is no low. We need that impulse. Okay, and if you're looking for a price level as an indication, I mean, my view would be we've got this trend line which has 3 touch points. A break above the trend line would be a signal that a low could be in. And a break above the wave 4 high would come with that. Here, yeah, this is at 1.9 cents. Could, for example, develop an inverse head and shoulders here. Yeah, that would be a potential reversal pattern here. Then go. So that's sort of what I'm looking for. Currently doing what it's supposed to be doing. To have a chance to rally higher, it just needs to avoid a break below 1.51 cents, because that would most likely lead to new bear market lows. Target for the third wave would be the 1.618 extension. It's a bit of a moving target. It depends on how low we go, but we're talking here about round about 3 cents as a minimum. Yeah, that is my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.